Struggling to stay on top of statutory and mandatory building compliance schedules, or managing proactive maintenance and FM service tasks? Frustrated by other products that are too complex, too costly, and packed with features you'll never use? With FM Navigate's Compliance and Business-Focused Task Management module, you get a complete overview of compliance status, planned maintenance, and service tasks, all in one place. The dashboard highlights compliance percentages, pending and in-progress schedules, task progress by site, building, or activity category, along with the status of follow-up actions. Plan, assign, and manage compliance and planned tasks with confidence. The flexible design allows you to configure activities, set mandatory service requirements, and assign schedules to suppliers, in-house teams, or directly to assets in the asset register. Recurring schedules ensure nothing slips through the cracks. During execution, operatives are geo-fenced to start the job only when they arrive on site. Following task completion, the maintenance technician will verify the status of the job by uploading evidence and progress statement to give you total peace of mind that the job was actually completed on the due date and time, and the correct payment can be made. If not, you will be automatically notified of what the next steps will be. This is such an important feature for the requester of the call-out. It provides assurance and gives you confidence with your supply chain. Clients can vet, approve, monitor tasks, and manage follow-up actions seamlessly. If exceptions arise, simply assign actions on the fly, saving time and avoiding delays. Automated notifications guide every step, keeping you in control at all times. A powerful calendar view keeps every compliance schedule and deadline visible, while reporting tools make exporting to PDF or Excel effortless. FM Navigate, simplifying compliance, streamlining planned tasks, and giving you peace of mind that your business and assets are in safe hands. Come and speak with us today to see how FM Navigate can reduce costs, save time, and keep your business compliant and risk-free.